so many mini yellows here also. Yeah, look here.
Hello, welcome to Meituan Select Logistics Center.
Hi, thank you. So I have a question. So things we buy from Meituan, are they sorted by those mini yellows here?
Yes, this is Meituan Select Logistics Center in Bolshan. All Meituan Select orders are placed here.
Oh, really? So can mini yellows sort food also?
Of course, I can show you.
Oh, I see that robots are so busy. Can I know how many mini yellows do you have here?
Are about 300 robots here and 50 robots on each floor. 3 lines with a total of 300 robots.
Really? So how many orders can you sort per day?
We handle around 100,000 orders per day with about 720 SKUs.
Oh, really? That's great. But with such a huge number of products, it's really hard not to make any mistakes.
Previously, we used manual sorting. There are certain unavoidable errors in certain orders, but after implementing mini yellows, our error rate is essentially 0 and even better.
Oh, but how do these mini yellows know where to put the items?
Many individuals have this inquiry. In reality, our mini yellow vehicles are dispatched according to the daily orders and linked to the WMS system. As long as the mini yellow vehicles are placed in the regular order in accordance with its system functionality, everything will be fine.
Wow, it's really high-tech. Wow, it's really cold here, really freezing.
Yes, here is our frozen decomposition area. Here, various frozen products are mainly placed.
Oh, I noticed that mini yellows also sort cold items here. Won't they catch a cold?
Our mini yellows are very resistant to cold. We can work in an environment of -10 degrees.
Wow, that's amazing. I've just been here for a short while and I already feel uncomfortable. I wonder how you guys used to sort items before the arrival of mini yellows.
Before we had the mini yellows, we could only rely on manual decomposition, which was inefficient and had a high error rate. It's not that good.
Oh, okay. Probably there weren't many people willing to do this job unless the salary is really high, right?
Yes, that's right. It is very poor for employees to work in a low temperature environment for a long time because the environment is relatively harsh.
So the arrival of the mini yellows completely changed this completely solved this problem.
Working in an environment of -18 degrees Celsius is indeed very challenging. After the arrival of the minions, they have brought significant improvements in efficiency and environment, which is a great support for us.
So mini yellows are really amazing. I feel like they are slowly changing our lives. So how is Meituan Selection is improving its warehouse capabilities?
Meituan is associated with the mini yellows in 2021. Beijing initially went online, and then in July of the midterm of 2022, the first line was opened in this area. Now what you see is our Meituan mini yellows phase 2. Currently the entire Dangpin's decomposition line has been covered.
So what is the key feature of the warehouse system?
Mini yellows help us create next day delivery service, improved our efficiency significantly.
Oh, how impressive. So I'm curious, how many cities are actually benefit from this service?
Across the whole country,
Over 2,000 counties and cities can
enjoying this next day delivery service.
So tell me about the impact of the 300 mini yellows in Fushan.
Compared to manual labor, the efficiency of the mini yellows has increased by 55%.
By the way, I noticed the use of these phone boxes. So are they used to keep the frozen goods in the right temperature?
This is referred to as EPP insulation box, which is a highly significant material in our cold chain operation. Because we will be investing in this ice board during the transportation process, this ice board will have a crucial role in enhancing endurance ability, which is of utmost importance for our animal product insulation. The ice board freezes very solid.
Okay, understand. So can you tell me about how Meituan is ensuring a better customer experience?
Our objective is to enhance the operational level of our warehouse and improve the customer experience by leveraging the latest technology and implementing innovative solutions and strategies.